Welcome to English Narrator, where learning becomes easy and interesting, and today we are not just learning English. We are discovering the power to change your life. I'm going to tell you something that will excite you, something that will illuminate the difference between those who merely exist and those who truly thrive. Why do you think some people face failures while others succeed despite hardships? Imagine waking up every day excited, knowing you're becoming the best version of yourself. Sounds amazing, right? Let me tell you a secret. You already have everything you need to make this happen. You have the power to change your life, but you must take action. Time is a valuable resource. The difference between successful and unsuccessful people is how they use their time. Unsuccessful people waste time on things that do not bring them closer to their goals. Successful people take action. Now, it is your turn to be successful. Imagine changing your life and inspiring the people around you. Imagine becoming the best version of yourself. Let me tell you a story about someone who faced countless failures but never gave up. His name is Thomas Edison, the man who invented the light bulb. Did you know he failed over 1,000 times before he succeeded? When people asked him how it felt to fail so many times, he said, "I didn't fail 1,000 times." The light bulb was an invention with 1,000 steps. This perspective, this reframing of perceived failure, is a crucial element in achieving success. It's about seeing each setback not as a dead end, but as a stepping stone, a lesson learned, a refinement of your approach. Now, think about time. It's like a treasure. Use it wisely, and you'll unlock doors to success. Successful people don't wait for someday. They act today. If you dream of speaking English fluently, start now. Practice one new word daily. Sing along to English songs. Watch movies with subtitles. Small steps create big results. Remember, every minute counts. Don't waste hours scrolling on your phone or listening to doubters. You have the power to change your life, but you must take action. Time is a valuable resource. The difference between successful and unsuccessful people is how they use their time. Unsuccessful people waste time on things that do not bring them closer to their goals. They get lost in distractions, succumb to procrastination, and allow fear to paralyze them. Successful people take action. They prioritize, plan, and persevere. They understand that every moment is an opportunity to move forward. Now, it is your turn to be successful. Imagine changing your life and inspiring the people around you. Imagine becoming the best version of yourself. Have time to listen to your inner voice. What do you want in life? If you want to learn English, speak it every day. If you want to be successful, take steps every day toward your goal. Tell yourself, "I can achieve anything." Cultivate what you want, not what others want to dump on you. Your mind is powerful. If you tell yourself good things, you will see good things happen. Change your mind by telling yourself, "I am smart. I am capable. I am strong." See yourself living a good life. Never sabotage yourself by saying negative things like, "I am not good enough," or "I will never succeed." Let me tell you something. You are amazing. You can get everything good in life if you believe in yourself and work for it. Get up and work every day. Small accomplishments matter. Improve your English. work on your finances, take care of your health, and seek happiness. This is the mindset of a successful person. They don't see failure as the end. They see it as a step closer to success. You can change your life too, but you need to take action. Time is the most valuable resource you have. The difference between successful people and unsuccessful people is not talent or luck. It's how they use their time. Successful people don't waste time complaining or waiting for the perfect moment. They take action every single day, even when it's hard. Now, it's your turn to be successful. Start working toward the life you want. Imagine yourself changing your life, becoming the best version of yourself. Imagine the people around you noticing the change and being inspired by you. This is not just a dream. It's something you can achieve if you take action today. Your mind is like a garden. Plant good thoughts, and you'll grow happiness. Tell yourself, I am smart. I am strong. I can do this. Avoid negative words like, I can't, or, it's too hard. Let's talk about fear. It's normal to feel scared when trying something new, like speaking English in front of others. But courage means acting despite fear. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. It's about taking that first step, even when your heart is pounding. Let me ask you something. Do you surround yourself with the right people? The people you spend time with have a huge impact on your life. If you spend time with negative people who always complain and tell you that you're not good enough, you will start to believe them. But if you surround yourself with positive, motivated people who inspire you, you will start to believe in yourself too. Surround yourself with positivity. Imagine you're a tree. The people around you are the soil. If the soil is toxic, the tree can't grow. Choose friends who cheer you on. Learn from mentors. Avoid those who drain your energy. Michael Jordan, the basketball legend, was cut from his high school team. Instead of quitting, he practiced harder. His coach became his mentor, and Jordan became a star. You need a team that believes in you. Take Oprah Winfrey, for example. She grew up in poverty and faced many challenges in her life. People told her she would never succeed, but she didn't listen to them. She believed in herself and worked hard every day. Today, she is one of the most successful and influential people in the world. Don't let anyone tell you that you're not good enough. You matter more than anyone's opinion. It's also important to take time to listen to your inner voice. What do you really want in life? Many people go through life without ever asking themselves this question. They follow what others tell them to do, and they end up unhappy. But you have the power to choose your own path. Tell yourself every day that you can achieve anything. Cultivate the life you want, not the life other people want for you. If you want to learn English, don't let anyone tell you it's too hard. If you want to start a business, don't let anyone tell you it's impossible. Your dreams are valid, and you have the power to make them come true. One of the most important things you can do is change the way you talk to yourself. Many people sabotage themselves by telling themselves negative things like, I'm not smart enough, or I'll never succeed. But these thoughts are not true. You are amazing, and you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Start telling yourself positive things every day. Say, I am capable, I am strong, and I can do this. When you change your thoughts, you change your life. Look at J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series. She was a single mother living on welfare when she started writing her first book. She faced rejection from many publishers, but she never gave up. She believed in herself and her story, and today she is one of the most successful authors in the world. If she had listened to the negative voices in her head, we would never have known the magic of Harry Potter. Every day is a new opportunity to work toward your goals. Get up and take small steps every day. If you want to learn English, practice a little every day. If you want to improve your health, start with small changes like drinking more water or taking a short walk. If you want to be happier, take time to do things you enjoy. Small accomplishments add up over time. Think about how many people have fallen and stood up again. Michael Jordan, one of the greatest basketball players of all time, was cut from his high school basketball team. But he didn't let that stop him. He worked harder than anyone else and became a legend. Gratitude is your superpower. Every night, write 3 things you're thankful for: a friend's smile, a sunny day, progress in English. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what's possible. Steve Jobs, fired from his own company, Apple, used that rejection to create Pixar and later returned to Apple, revolutionizing technology. He stayed grateful for each opportunity. You can do the same. Every time you fall, get back up and keep going. Another important thing is to have gratitude. Be thankful for what you have, even if it's not much. Gratitude helps you stay positive and focused on your goals. When you appreciate the good things in your life, you attract more good things. Take a moment every day to think about what you're grateful for. It could be your family, your friends, your health, or even the fact that you're alive and have the opportunity to change your life. Gratitude is a powerful tool that can help you stay motivated and happy. If you've made it this far, I know you want to change your life. You're ready to stop settling for average and start dreaming big. There's nothing wrong with dreaming big. In fact, it's the first step toward achieving something extraordinary. Don't let anyone tell you that your dreams are too big or unrealistic. Think about Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft. He imagined a world where everyone could have a computer in their home. Back then, computers were huge and expensive. But he believed in his vision. And now, billions of people use computers every day. He didn't just have a dream. He worked hard to make it real, changing how we live and work. Want to run a marathon? Start with a daily walk. Dream of starting a business? Learn one new skill each week. Big journeys begin with tiny steps. Finally, remember, life doesn't get better by chance. It gets better by change. Start today. Not tomorrow. Not Monday. Write down one goal. Say it out loud. I will learn 5 English words today. I will exercise for 10 minutes. I will smile at a stranger. Celebrate every win. And if you fall, get up. Keep going. The world needs your light. So, what's your first step? Share it in the comments. Let's grow together. You've got this. And remember, here at English Narrator, we're not just teaching English. We're building a community of dreamers, doers, and believers. Press play on your future. The best is yet to come. Subscribe, hit the bell, and let's change lives. One word, one step, one dream at a time.